Everybody wants a house. Jake wanted a house, and Jake did everything right. He saved for 3 years, cut expenses, skipped vacations, put away $80,000 with the discipline of a monk. The problem is that while Jake was saving, the house was running. The house that cost $350,000 when he started, it is $420,000 today. At current interest rates, the monthly payment would be $2,400, just the mortgage, before insurance, before property taxes. Home sales in America just hit their lowest level since 1995, but the population is 20% larger than in 1995. Something is broken. Melody Wright tracks 86 housing markets. What she found is this: it is not a supply crisis, it is an equilibrium crisis. Boomers own 40% of all homes in America, and most of them have not sold anything yet. When that generation starts moving out of those homes, and it is coming, a Charles Schwab study found that 70% of people who inherit a home sell it. 70%. That is a massive wave of supply arriving that the market has not priced in yet. Mia knew this. While Jake was saving for one specific house, Mia put the same $80,000 into REITs. REITs are funds that own real properties, warehouses, apartment buildings, data centers. You receive monthly dividends as an owner without dealing with tenants, leaks, or property taxes. Mia's $80,000 is now $140,000. While Jake's target went up $70,000, Mia's money went up $60,000 in the same direction. 2 more years and Mia might buy that same house at a completely different price, with a much larger down payment and a monthly payment that fits her life. Jake is still waiting. Mia is getting paid to wait. Sid has one rule about houses: never fight the math. If the number does not work today, build the money that will work tomorrow. Comment "lazy" below for Sid's complete housing checklist. See you in the next one.